Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit me up in the comments. Remember, as you watch this video, don't jump off what you were doing to watch it. Keep being productive. Keep doing what you're doing. Let me know down below, what are you working on as this video popped up and you say, oh, let me check Tara out real quick. And you keep working and you keep hustling and you could expense tracking, you taking care of the kids, you cooking, whatever you're doing, let me know what you're doing. Keep doing it. Now, if it's your chill time and you're like, oh, I'm going to chill out and watch Tara, I appreciate you too. Enjoy. So today's video, we're going to be closing out paycheck number 3 of November. We are ready for it to be out of here. So everything that was supposed to clear has cleared, and we're just going to make sure everything is green, has cleared, and we'll see what we're going to be left with and what we're going to do with that money. So let's go. Put my little face up in the corner. All right, this is our paycheck number 3 budget here, and we got a lot of green happening. We had the gym to put up. So we need to find these things here. So let's go over to our situation over here. And let's see where things start moving and shaking. Here we go. So we've got 5 cents of interest. Did we put that 5 cents in? Okay, we need our 5 cents now. Okay, so let's, in our transfers and rollover money, we're going to add our, don't do that. We're going to add our 5 cents of interest so that can be allocated correctly. Wait a minute. Oh, because I keep hitting the button. Okay, so 5 cents of interest was given. Then we got $2 off. We paid our $2 to our Navy Federal, so let's go ahead and find that. There's the $2. If you're new here, the goal of closing out the paycheck is to get everything to be green. And so once everything is green, I know that everything has cleared the bank and we're technically at a zero-based budget. Yes, say it with me. Zero-based budget. Next thing we're looking for is our Discover Capital and our 2 Capital Ones, which were credit card payments that we made. So our Discover card, it would be under our debt section right here, $32.53. It has been paid. We'll make that green. $205.34 for the Quicksilver. It has been paid. We'll make it green. And then y'all know I made a slight boo-boo and we fixed that. And so the $241.57 for the other Saver card has also been paid. We need to track expenses because there's some money on there now that we need to reconcile. Now we have $199 deposit for, wait, what did we get? What's that for? Oh, okay. We paid off our iPad, so you'll see it was in and out. We'll go ahead and add it in there just to be, on top of our game and know what's going on. So let's make ourselves some notes, my loves. We're going to insert some notes. First note is going to say that 0.05 was interest. We need the capitals. And then we are going to say that $199 was to pay off the, why is my typing shaking my thing like that? I'm sorry, y'all. Pay off the, what is it? Y'all need APY? What? Pay off the iPad. All right. Now under iPad, pay off and other, excuse me, my nose is itchy. Under other, what iPad was, we need to go ahead and put, I need to be able to move my little cursor thing. Hold on, y'all. This little thing down here is in the way all the time. Okay, let me just scroll on down. Okay. iPad down to the bottom. I think nope, it's all the way down to the bottom. All right, iPad other, which would be here under other right here. We're gonna put that we had $199 in that field. We paid a lot to that, so equals 125 plus 199, just so that they offset each other properly. It is already green. Okay, next we have a deposit for what is this? This is why I love my little notes. Okay, Capital One of these notes are my friends. So we have $199 for cash envelope, or $210 for cash envelope. So these are cash envelope money that was basically moved from Hold Your Horses and then taken out of the ATM. That kind of zeroes each other out. I mean, I don't think I really need to put that because I'd have to figure out all the different cash envelopes. So we're not going to do that. Okay, we're not going to worry about that. We ain't worry about it, sweetheart. It's just going to be, it's going to be okay. This is zeroed out, a positive and a negative 210. We're zeroed out. I'm trying to understand, y'all, why this is moving and shaking like this. Like, what are we doing? If I'm a bounty bobblehead today, I apologize. I don't know why it's shaking so much. Does it always do that? And y'all ain't never said nothing to me? Anyway, last transaction showing is added cash. So this $44 is actually from our last, our last savings challenge that we did when we finished out our four boxes, our $15 blocks, and our save a ween that we finished. There was $44 left after all the things that we did, and this is supposed to go to apparel. So I guess we'll put the $44 over here in the miscellaneous hustle, and I will just leave some notes that says it was from saving challenges. All right. And then we're going to put the $44 into apparel. So apparel is going to get $44 because that's what we decided. And we're going to mark that green because we're about to move that money right now. So we're going to go ahead and transfer from Major Keys over to apparel because your girl needs some clothing. We're going to send $44 from the savings challenge into our apparel sinking fund. Transfer. Success. Okay. Yes. So we have $50.05 left, and we have 5 cents here in the balance, and our buffer has $50. So if I take this buffer out of here, it'll say we have $50.05 left, just like we have in the bank. We love to see it. We love to see it. We love it when a plan comes together. Okay, so at $50.05, what are we going to do with $50.05? Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. I thought about it. I know what we want to do. I know what we're going to do. So at $50.05, let's do some transferring so we can get our budget down, our account down to $0 at this point, because y'all, I get paid literally on Thursday or Friday, and the money's gonna come back in. We're good. We're good. Okay, so we're gonna move. It's gonna sound weird. We're gonna move $10.05. I looked down because I wrote it down because I have to remember, right? Pen and paper will always be an OG. $10.05 to all the things. Okay. And we just, all the things sinking funds. ATT, baby. Transfer, $10.05. Success, y'all know I like to keep a little bit in all the things because why? Sometimes you just have those random things and you just got to take it out of somewhere. Giveaway is not yet. Let's talk to, wait a minute. We're going to do $20 to Christmas. Christmas is going to get $20 because we are in the season. And when I feel like giving, I want to be able to go ahead and give. I don't do too much, but if I want to, when I want to. Christmas, I think it's called Merry Christmas. That's why I ain't really come up, right? Right, Merry Christmas. You don't want to press the button? No? Okay. Transfer success, $20 to Merry Christmas, leaving us with $20, you guys. Guess what we doing right now? We're about to do a giveaway. Because why not? Happy Vlogmas. Why not, fam? It's not a long video. Most of y'all should have made it to the end. If you made it to the end and you're not subscribed, I suggest you go ahead and hit the subscribe. Because when the feeling hits me, we're going to do a few giveaways in this video. It ain't going to be nothing crazy. All I want you to do, because we're in the middle of a budget closeout, you go ahead and, I don't know why that little thing's in front of me. You go ahead and hit hashtag closeout. CLOSEOUT. All one word down below. Hey. Now don't just put hashtag closeout. Put it so it makes sense. Like, hey girl, you did a great hashtag closeout. You know, do something like that. Don't make it so obvious because we don't want other people to be doing it. You know what I'm saying? We don't want that. Okay. So yes, so my Ride or Die OG Grateful Gang members, I hope that somebody I know and love that I see comment all the time wins. And even if you don't comment all the time, I kind of know I feel your shanana. So go ahead and hit hashtag closeout. Again, that's hashtag CLOSEOUT. Make it all lowercase just so it's easier when I type it in this picker situation. I will probably be pulling a a winner by November 13th. Okay, giving people a couple of days, but Friday the 13th sounds like a good day for me. It will be a $20 gift card of your choice. I'm not out here trying to mail nothing, go to the post office and deal with those people. I don't even want to be outside. Okay, so you can get like an Etsy gift card, Amazon gift card, well, anywhere you pick that has a gift card that you want it from. Come talk to me, okay? So we have $20 in here. If I say okay one more time, why am I doing that? $20. You have $20 in here for a giveaway, and I'm so excited to be able to do that. I'm looking forward to see those hashtag closeout comments down below, but that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. Have a wonderful... Oh, did we talk about it? We're at 0. Wait a minute. Hold on. I got excited and then none of the things we did in the daggone budget. Just, blame it on my head and not my heart. So we did put in Christmas another $20. So let's do that real quick. Plus 20. And then we did also put in all the things 1005. It's been getting some weird numbers. Okay. And then we put $20. That is the rest of the buffer. We're going to put that under other and just leave ourselves a note. Insert note that it's $20 for a giveaway, a surprise giveaway that I didn't even know was going to happen. Okay, and that is that. And now you will see we're at 0 balance here. We're at a 0 balance here. Everything in our budget is what? Green, and we're at a 0 base budget. All right, guys, thanks so much for spending this time with me. And don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever. Ay. Bye. Just love you. Mean it. Bye.